slides up all the way. Okay, do you see those scrape marks right there? That's from me backing up my trailer on an incline driveway. So basically, with the jack that came with the trailer several years ago, this was as high as I could get it. Okay, the other option I never even realized what was, there's another set of holes right here that it could have gone through. So to replace this, all you have to do, remove these 3 bolts. It's kind of hard to hold them still underneath because of the bracket. In the case of my old jack, it has this bottom plate with this type of pin, which at first I thought I was gonna have to cut the pin, and I realized that it just pops off. Okay, and here is the upgrade, the ultimate jack. And the value of this thing, so it is incredibly difficult to get this on here, reach in there, put a washer on, and put this on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tape this down hard, and then I'm going to use an insect sticky pad, make that sticky, and that all will be in place, and then I'll put the nut on. Okay, when you're doing something like this and using your old bolts, you want to make your life easier, put a little oil on the end of these, and these will screw on a lot easier in those tight places. There's a tip. Okay, the way this should work now is this slides up all the way. Just the pin will go in here, and you're ready to put it down. Okay. I will say these bolts here were a little too close to the edge. They're kind of hard to get in there. Don't like that. Everything else I love. No more problems.